Okay, today we are going to look at the straight line depreciation. A straight line depreciation, this situation, assets are depreciated over the period of useful life of that asset. And the formula, let's assume that you have an asset of 5 years. So the cost of that asset is going to now be divided by 5. Let's assume it's 5 years and you bought it 5,000 naira, so it's 1,000 naira every year. That is what this means. So the formula is, sometimes you have a scrap value. That asset, you will now say, okay, at the end of the useful life of this asset, I can still sell this asset. So how much are you going to sell it? You are going to deduct it from your cost of sales, then you divide it by the useful life of that asset. This is the formula. Now say cost of assets, you now minus the residual value. Now said divide by useful life of the assets. This is the formula. Okay, now let's look at the simple illustration here. And say a machine costs 250,000 naira. You bought a machine and the cost of this machine is 250,000 naira. It has an expected economic life of 5 years. So now say 5 years. This is the useful life, is the cost. Life, useful life is 5 years. And an expected residual value of 50,000 naira. Scrap value, say 50,000 naira. That is the amount you are expected to receive at the end of that 5 years. So now, what is the annual depreciation of this particular asset? Now you are expected to say, okay, 250. You now minus the 50,000 from it. You divide it by 5. So we have 40,000 naira per annum. So this 40,000 naira is your annual depreciation using the straight line methods.